Finally, I'm not running back. I'm turning up and down and I'm coming down. I be coming for your mind, running in. I be fighting for your time, right? I know it's fine, I know it's good. Damn, I know you're mine, you know it too. Fine, I might be wrong, but I don't care. I just in my own, just been on there waiting.
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, this is the first hair tutorial I've ever done on my channel. I wanted to show you how I do my slick back bun. You guys know I have very curly hair. I honestly do this bun when it's like time to low-key wash my hair. Like the curls have pretty much like died. Like the curls are just non-existent. And it's just something I need to do and just pull my hair back. So what you will need is a rat tail comb. This is to give you the part in the middle. I already have the part because I did this bun yesterday, but I like to still refine. So see how I do it. And I have a widow's peak too. So if you have a widow's peak, this is like widow peak friendly. Pretty much from here straight down. I don't go all the way down. I kind of just do it to like the middle center kind of. That's good. From here at this point, what I like to do is kind of low-key like detangle the hair a little bit because it is type tangled. So I wet it and then I go in with the brush like this to kind of just detangle a little bit again. I don't want to tie my hair back and it's all tangled because that's gonna just make it worse when it's time to wash my hair. I'm gonna put a little bit of leave-in conditioner in my hair. This is the BB Curl Custom Conditioner. You could use it as a leave-in, you can use it as a co-wash. I don't really care about that product, like it's not my favorite. That's why I don't care to leave it in my hair just for this hairstyle. And again, I am just detangling my hair. So you see how I am taking my hair and kind of splitting it? That's how tangled it is that I low-key have to like do that and then going with the brush. Trust me guys, detangling your hair makes this hairstyle so much cleaner, sleeker, smoother. And also when it's time to wash your hair is already detangled. So I'm gonna switch, twist this side up, clip it up, and then same exact concept on this side. Detangle it. I like wetting my hair a little bit. Wetting it helps detangle it a little bit better. So that's why I do this. And then again, the hand method, I'm like using my hands to kind of help me out because that's how tangled my hair is. Wet it a little bit more. Also, by the way, this is why curly girls don't brush their hair. Like, do you not see how crazy this shit looks? It looks crazy. Alright, once both sides are detangled, part is still good. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take your gel. I'm using the Eco Styler gel. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this. Very popular, very affordable. This is just the regular argan oil original one. About that much. And that is going directly where the part is. Okay, and then smoothing out the front. The same brush that I detangled my hair with, I'm gonna go in and do one more pass. Alright, now you take a brush like this and you pretty much just wet it. Take a little bit more. So from here, you literally just get to smoothing. And when I say smoothing, I mean, I guess brushing everything down and in place. The front, don't worry yet, we're gonna do our baby hairs at the end. So we just wanna get the bulk of the hair tied back. And I apologize if I'm kind of going very fast or I seem like quick, is because my camera's literally about to die. And that's gonna be annoying if it does. So. I like my bun to be low, but then again not so low. So I'm making sure that when I tie my hair back, it's kind of elevated. My hand is a little elevated. Now it's time to tie. I use 2 just regular hair ties. It's 2 stacked.
And Luna.
At this point, what we're gonna do now is the baby hairs. So you're gonna take your edge brush, and then from here, brush the front, and I'll swoop this as one fake little baby hair, whatever. I say that because I don't really I feel like I do my baby hair so different than what everybody sees. I swoop it, but then I don't even know what I do. This is what I do. Go back in with the other brush, smooth everything out. Just make sure everything is nice and smooth.
But honestly, I just need to be a little crazy. All my life I've been good, but now
So this is pretty much how I get my slick bun, having super curly hair. And I just take a little bit more gel. Gel is your best friend. Especially this one, it doesn't make your hair crunchy because I guess it has argan oil. And I just smooth everything. And this is how I do my slick back bun. This hairstyle is perfect for work, perfect for an interview, perfect for a dinner date, just to get everything out of the face. And you know, if you have a really nice makeup look, the focus is the face. So really love this hairstyle. This is my go-to hairstyle if I have time though, because you see it is low-key time consuming. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Click the little bell icon so you are notified when I first upload. Consider subscribing if you're not already. Follow me on all my socials down below. And leave a comment on what you want to see next. You know, I gotcha. I'm trying to produce this content for you guys. But yeah, this is pretty much how I do my bun. And I'm running late for a dinner date. So yes, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.